Imagine a world where a rare muscle-wasting disease silently robs people of their strength, starting from the face and shoulders and slowly spreading, limiting everyday joys like smiling, eating, or even walking. That's the heartbreaking reality of Facioscapulohumeral Muscular Dystrophy, FSHD, and it's fueling a booming market for groundbreaking treatments. But here's where it gets controversial. Could the push for high-tech gene therapies leave behind patients who can't afford them? Or is innovation's cost a necessary evil in the race to cure? Dive in as we explore the 2025 to 2035 FSHD Market Analysis Report, spotlighting pioneering efforts from trailblazers like Avidity Biosciences, Hoffman-La Roche, Epicrispr Biotechnologies, and Fulcrum Therapeutics that are propelling this field forward, courtesy of researchandmarkets.com. Dublin, Business Wire. Researchandmarkets.com has just unveiled their latest gem, the Facioscapulohumeral Muscular Dystrophy market, a global and regional analysis, focus on country and region, analysis and forecast, 2025 to 2035 report. This comprehensive study delves into how FSHD, a genetic disorder characterized by progressive muscle weakening and atrophy, often starting in the facial muscles and shoulder blades, hence the name, is sparking intense competition and innovation worldwide. The FSHD landscape is fiercely competitive, with major innovators leading the charge. Firms such as Avidity Biosciences, Incorporated, Hoffman-La Roche Limited, Epicrispr Biotechnologies, Incorporated, Modalis Therapeutics, Armatus Bio, Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, Incorporated, and Fulcrum Therapeutics are revolutionizing approaches through methods like gene silencing, RNA interference, epigenetic tweaks, and full-on gene therapies. Picture gene silencing as a way to turn off harmful genetic instructions, or RNA interference as intercepting problematic messages in cells. These aren't just buzzwords, they're real strategies reshaping how we combat FSHD, influencing everything from market shares to patient hopes. A major force propelling the FSHD market is the explosion of genetic research and breakthroughs in gene therapy. As researchers deepen their grasp of the underlying genetics, particularly the misbehaving DUX4 gene that triggers muscle breakdown, we're seeing a wave of therapies designed to hit the disease at its source. For instance, CRISPR technology acts like a precise molecular editor, snipping out faulty DNA segments, while epigenetic modulation adjusts how genes are expressed without altering the DNA itself. This isn't just science fiction. Companies are pouring resources into these advanced tools, promising treatments that could transform lives by halting or reversing muscle degeneration. On top of that, rising awareness and improved early detection of FSHD are swelling the ranks of diagnosed patients, which naturally ramps up the need for fresh therapies. Think of it like this. Better screening programs mean catching the conditions sooner before it wreaks havoc on muscles, leading to larger, more informed clinical trial groups and a brighter outlook for investments and funding. As trials advance, the arsenal of potential cures grows stronger, injecting optimism into the entire sector. Yet, despite this upward trajectory, the FSHD market faces hurdles that can't be ignored. One glaring issue is the scarcity of proven, widely available treatments. Sure, progress is being made, but most options are still experimental, stuck in trials, without FDA approval. This limbo breeds frustration for patients desperate for relief and stalls full market growth. And this is the part most people miss. Without accessible therapies, we're not just delaying cures, we're prolonging suffering, raising ethical questions about whether the pace of development prioritizes profits over people. Diagnostic hurdles add another layer of complexity. FSHD's gradual onset and symptoms that mimic other neuromuscular conditions often lead to missed or incorrect diagnoses, delaying crucial interventions and worsening outcomes. It's a classic case of hidden in plain sight, where early signs are overlooked, allowing the disease to advance unchecked. Then there's the disease's variability. FSHD doesn't hit everyone the same way. It presents in diverse severities and forms, complicated by genetic differences that make crafting a universal fix, akin to solving a puzzle with ever-changing pieces. This heterogeneity, coupled with the steep expenses of developing and delivering gene-based treatments, drags on the market's potential, sparking debates over whether personalized medicine is feasible for rare diseases like this, or if it risks excluding those with rarer mutations. These obstacles, along with hefty costs, temper the enthusiasm, but also highlight opportunities for smarter, more inclusive strategies. Looking ahead, the FSHD market is buzzing with transformative trends. Genetic therapies are stealing the spotlight, with CRISPR, RNA interference, and gene silencing paving the way for customized solutions that directly counteract muscle-damaging mutations. For beginners, think of RNA interference as a cellular blocker that stops harmful proteins from forming. It's like installing a smart filter in your body's messaging system. Early detection and genetic screening initiatives are gaining traction too, allowing for better categorization of patients and more focused trials. By identifying FSHD before major damage, treatments can preserve muscle function, potentially altering the disease's course and improving quality of life. Team-ups between biotech giants, universities, and research hubs are speeding things up, sharing knowledge and data to fast-track innovations. These partnerships are vital in a field where solo efforts might falter against FSHD's complexities. Finally, a shift toward patient-focused development is evident, with emphasis on enhancing daily living, slowing progression, and cutting side effects. This holistic view isn't just nice, it's essential, ensuring therapies address the whole person, not just the symptoms, and driving broader market adoption. Key topics covered: executive summary, scope and definition, market product definition, inclusion and exclusion, key questions answered, analysis and forecast. Note: global facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy market. Industry outlook. 1.1 Introduction. 1.2 Market trends. 1.3 Regulatory framework. 1.4 Epidemiology analysis. 1.5 Clinical trial analysis. 1.6 Market dynamics. 1.6.1 Impact analysis. 1.6.2 Market drivers. 1.6.3 Market challenges. 1.6.4 Market opportunities. Global facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy market by region. $1 billion. 2024 to 2035. 2.1 North America. 2.1.1 Key findings. 2.1.2 Market dynamics. 2.1.3 Market sizing and forecast. 2.1.3.1 North America facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy market by country. 2.1.3.1 .1 US. 2.2 Europe. 2.2.1 Key findings. 2.2.2 Market dynamics. 2.2.3 Market sizing and forecast. 2.2.3.1 Europe facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy market. Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals Inc. Fulcrum Therapeutics. For more details on this report, head over to https://www.researchandmarkets.com/RAGL9UA. About researchandmarkets.com. Researchandmarkets.com stands as the premier global hub for market research reports and data, keeping you in the loop on international and local markets, top industries, leading firms, fresh products, and emerging patterns. What do you think? Is the emphasis on expensive gene therapies a fair trade-off for potential cures, or should we demand more affordable alternatives? Do you believe the variability of FSHD makes personalized medicine impractical, or is it the key to unlocking better outcomes? Share your views in the comments below. Let's discuss.